So here we are with the second part of national income aggregates. We'll look at GNP at market price, NNP at market price, GNP at factor cost, and NNP at factor cost. Now, once we say national income or national concept, we have to understand that we are referring to the residence income only. Y stands for income. So the income that residents earn within the domestic territory or even outside the domestic territory. Whereas in GDP concept, we said the condition is that it has to be within the economic territory. Doesn't matter whether earned by residents or non-residents. So both the incomes will be added in GDP concepts, in domestic concepts, income earned by the residents and non-residents. But in GNP concepts or NNP concepts, we include only the incomes of the residents. पार्ट ए में जो मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया था कि यूएस इंजीनियर इंडिया में एक हफ्ते के लिए काम करके कुछ पैसा ले गया, जीडीपी में इंक्लूड होगा क्योंकि हमारे डोमेस्टिक टेरिटरी, हमारे इकोनॉमी के अंदर वो इनकम उत्पन्न हुआ है. लेकिन उस इंजीनियर का जो इनकम है वो जीएनपी कंसेप्ट में नहीं आएगा क्योंकि वो इंजीनियर हफ्ते भर के लिए आया था, सो नॉन रेसिडेंट है, तो उनका इनकम हमारे जीएनपी में नहीं आएगा. हाँ, इंडियन इंजीनियर अगर बाहर जाते हैं और उसी तरह से कुछ कंसल्टेंसी प्रोजेक्ट में जाते हैं 1 महीने 2 महीने के लिए, वापस आते हैं पैसे लेके, तो वो हमारे जीएनपी में आएगा. ऐसा हो सकता है कि यूएस सिटीजन इंडिया में रह रहे हैं, रेसिडेंटशिप मिल चुका है उनको, वो बाहर जाके कुछ इनकम लेके आते हैं तो यूएस सिटीजन है लेकिन रेसिडेंट इंडिया के, तो वो हमारे जीएनपी में आएगा. GNP MP is the summation of GDP MP plus NFI, net factor income from abroad. And NFI is the difference between factor income earned from abroad and factor income paid to abroad. If Indian engineer goes out and earns something during the year, then Indian factor of production is earning something from outside. Likewise, if a foreign engineer comes to India on a short-term assignment who is a non-resident and takes away some amount of money, then the factor income paid to abroad. Okay. Now let's take this case. Say this is our domestic territory and our GDP was 100 lakhs or 1 crore. And out of this 100 lakhs, 92 lakhs were earned by residents and 8 lakhs were earned by the non-residents. That in US engineer who came to India for a short-term assignment, technical assignment, he say got 8 lakhs. Now that 8 lakhs income arises within domestic territory. So go into the GDP concept, but won't go into GNP concept. Because that US engineer is a non-resident by definition. He came for 1 week. So his income won't go into GNP. Now one of the residents during the year, say Indian engineer went to say Europe, likewise for a 1 week assignment and earned 10 lakhs in Indian rupees. This 10 lakhs earned by Indian residents but won't go into GDP because that income arises outside the domestic territory. But that 10 lakhs will enter into GNP concept because earned by an Indian resident. The US engineer took away 8 lakhs but Indian engineer from outside earned 10 lakhs. So the country is having a net benefit of 2 lakhs. So that's what we are saying, GDP MP plus NFI. So GDP MP is 100 lakhs plus NFI is 10 minus 8. So 2. So 2. So 100, 2 lakhs is our GNP at market price. NNP at market price. So this is net concept. You will deduct depreciation from GNP at market price. जो GDP मैंने कहा था कि मार्केट वैल्यू ऑफ फाइनल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज प्रोड्यूस, तो इसमें जो बुक वैल्यू है, जो इनिशियल वैल्यू है, उसके हिसाब से कैलकुलेट हो रहा है। जबकि यहाँ पे जब आएंगे तो 9 लाख का शेयर हम दिखाएंगे, तो डेप्रिसिएशन को माइनस कर देंगे। 1 लाख जो लास्ट लेक्चर में मैंने कहा था उसको माइनस कर देंगे। 9 लाख का जो शेयर है 4 फैक्टर्स के बीच में हु आर रेसिडेंट्स, उसको हम देखेंगे। दैट्स व्हाई वी आर राइटिंग GNP/MP माइनस डेप्रिसिएशन। GNP/FC is equal to GNP/MP minus NIT. So NIT इनकम टैक्स माइनस सब्सिडी। सो मार्केट प्राइस और फैक्ट्री कॉस्ट का डिफरेंस जो है वो NIT है। मार्केट प्राइस से NIT माइनस करते हैं तो फैक्ट्री कॉस्ट हमें मिलता है। अगर हम देखते हैं NNP एट फैक्ट्री कॉस्ट, सो GNP से अगर निकालना है हमें तो फैक्ट्री कॉस्ट ही है। ग्रॉस और नेट का ही सिर्फ फ़र्क है, ये नेशनल ही है, तो कुछ एडजस्टमेंट नहीं आएगा, सिर्फ ग्रॉस और नेट का आएगा। तो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ग्रॉस एंड नेट इज डेप्रिसिएशन। So GNP/FC minus depreciation is NNP/FC, and this one is known as national income. Like NDP/FC is known as domestic income concept, NNP/FC is known as national income concept. Let me tell you, if you know the logic, what we are doing here, you can easily reach anywhere once you have the data. Whatever numerical problems come in the exam, you can work out.